So the hiatus of HPV racing due to COVID has obviously ripped the backbone out of Trisled and meant we've had to do whatever we needed to do to survive. It's pushed our adaptability to its limits and forced us to look into new directions. One thing we've noticed in the last few years is the massive improvement in smart training technology. The direct wheel trainers designed to go on bicycles now are fully interactive with apps online so people can race against each other. We saw a massive opportunity here to create a simulator for human-powered vehicle racers to still engage with each other while we go through this period. Velosim is our starter kit, if you like, to answer that question. It is a fully functional dimension copy of a Hornet or Aquila 3 HPV. Inside, it even has an index crank and enables you to get yourself comfortable. With this, you can connect your smart trainer to the front of it and you can set it up to use Zwift or other apps to race. The Velosim is available in kit form, as you saw in this video, so it comes as a flat pack and you glue it together yourself and connect to your smart trainer and all your electronics. Included in the kit are all of the wood features and the index crank system mechanics and derailleur and so on to connect it to the smart trainer. Not included are the smart trainer and any other electronics for viewing. We are hoping that you guys will show us how to set this thing up really well for a great session. We're also obviously looking now for an app partner and see massive opportunities to actually create a Velosim racing series. If you're interested in being that partner and helping us take this further, we'd love to hear from you. Alternatively, though, in the meantime, you can obviously use your Velosim on any of the available apps and have a great session. There you go, that's the scoop on Velosim. I'll include a link at the end of the video and also in the comments below to our online store where you can purchase the kit. It's around about 2 to 3 week turnaround time for manufacturing and we can send it anywhere in Australia. We hope this inspires and we hope that it keeps you training and getting ready to go racing again.